Hey love bugs, it's me again with the voiceover. These days it's just easy to do a voiceover. Okay, so I collaborated with YGWIGS, and I want to say thank you so much, YGWIGS, for sending me this unit. Right now I'm just showing you the packaging, what all came in the packaging, which included a wig cap, information about the company, clamps, combs, and here's the hair. Now let me tell you a little bit about this hair. This hair is in the color blonde. It's 20 inches. It's a body wave unit. It's 150% density. It does come with baby hair. It is pre-plucked, and the lace is medium brown. So I didn't like the color, so I decided to dye the hair. And I'm going to be using this Revlon Colorsilk, and I'm using I'm using a total of 4 boxes. 2 of them are ash blonde, dark ash blonde, and 2 are medium ash blonde. Blonde, y'all, not brown. Okay, so this is, I just basically mixed I mixed a light ash blonde and a dark ash blonde first, mixed those 2 together and did it, and then I did the same one more time. So I ended up using all 4 boxes, and this is my first time dyeing, y'all, so don't judge me. Like, I am no dyeing expert, okay? So don't judge me on that. But yeah, it ended up coming out just like I wanted it to. So I think I did pretty good. So right now I'm just dyeing the hair, and anything else about the hair and the company I will be saying in the outro. I just want to come to you guys with a voiceover, say what's up. You know how we do it. And I don't want to keep repeating myself because I basically say the same thing in the outro. But definitely check out YGWIGS. All of the information will be down below in the description box. And yeah, go ahead and continue to watch me style and dye this hair. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, don't forget that. And yeah, I will see you guys in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, I'm mad because I already recorded this and my mic wasn't on. Okay. Take two. Okay, y'all. So I am finished with constructing this wig. What am I talking about constructing this wig? Child, you ain't constructing nothing. I am finished with styling this wig, y'all. And this is the finished look. Now, I am still kind of messing with the curls. I've never done that type of curl before, so it was completely new to me. This wig was sent to me by YGWIGS, and I want to give them a huge shout out. Thank you. I love this company. This wig, y'all, the lace on this wig, I have worked with this company before, and the lace melted in then. It melted in this time. I literally did not use any of my airbrush, my what is it called? My Sally Hansen airbrush legs. I did not use this. I didn't have to use this with this unit, nor did I have to dye the unit. I had to do nothing to this lace. This lace came like this. And let me give you guys a full close-up of it. And y'all don't judge me if you see any white. You know that's my guys to be glued, okay? Pay attention to what you need to be paying attention to, okay? Which is the lace. So you guys see that? Like, their lace to me is phenomenal, okay? Phenomenal. If you are the type of person that don't know how to tint your lace, or you don't know, you're uncomfortable with even using the Sally Hansen, this is for you, okay? Even when it comes to plucking, if you're uncomfortable with plucking, this unit, this company is for you. Because I did tweeze it a little bit, but it really didn't need it, and I got scared because I had some accidents, okay? So I didn't want to go overboard with it whatsoever. If that's the case for you, this is the company for you, because there's really little to no work that you have to do with their units. And any other reviews that I have watched on them, that is pretty much the case. Like, it don't need a whole lot of work. Okay, let me give you guys some specs on this unit. Okay, this unit came in the color blonde, and it was 20 inches, and the texture was body wave, or is body wave. It's 150% density. It comes with baby hair, and the lace color is medium brown, and it was pre-plucked. Okay, y'all, so y'all saw how the hair came, and it was blonde, which when I was looking at it, I was thinking it was 613 when I saw it online, and it wasn't. It was that yellow color, which y'all know I don't like the yellow hair. She does not like it, okay? I want me a yellow wig, but I don't want no yellow blonde, okay? So I watched Sophiology's video. I watched Dominique A's video on how to achieve ash blonde hair, and I just bought what they said buy, which I ain't got none of that stuff in here with me. I thought I had a box nearby, but I did show you guys the box in the beginning, and this hair dye is only like $2.96. You can, I ordered some from Amazon, but you can also get it from Walmart, because I also got 2 boxes from Walmart. And what I used is Revlon Colorsilk, and I used 2 boxes of dark ash blonde and 2 boxes of light ash blonde. Blonde, y'all, not brown, okay? Blonde, not ash brown, because there is an ash brown there as well. We're not looking for ash brown. If you want this color, you're going to use ash blonde, okay? And it will give you that. And I just mixed the two together, and I use a total of 4 boxes, y'all. I've never dyed hair before, and it's still some spots that you may or may not see in the back where that blonde is still there, because I've never dyed before. But I just used a total of 4 boxes, and I started at the top because I was thinking if anything gets darker, I know nothing about dyeing, but if anything gets darker, I want my roots to be darker. So I kind of started more so in the front. And yeah, this is the finished look, and I'm feeling this color. I don't know if you guys are feeling this color or what, but I like the color. Now, when I was doing it, I noticed that it was getting really, really dark, and I was kind of like, you know, is this the color it's gonna be? And my husband was like, girl, it gotta, you know, it gotta dry. Okay, hair looks dark when it's wet. So I let it dry, and this was the color that it came out, and this is the color that I wanted. Now, as for the curls, because this hair is only 20 inches, I feel like I maybe shouldn't have did that. I like it. Yeah, I could do without the really, really tight curls, and only because the hair is only 20 inches long. And if you want to do that method, like, child, that was my first time doing that too, but you're going to get some pretty tight curls, okay? It's kind of giving me the Sierra vibes. Sensational Sierra in this color is like basically this color. So that's the kind of vibes I'm getting. I'm loving it though. I like the hair. I like everything about it. The wig did come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, but I did cut those combs out. Okay, I cut them out. As for shedding, I noticed a little amount of shedding after the hair was dyed. I did notice a little bit of shedding when I was brushing the hair out while it was drying. And I did let the hair air dry overnight. And I did not, like I said, I did notice a little bit of shedding, but really it's blonde hair, and I feel like blonde hair does shed. Tangles, no, okay. Yeah, but anyways, it's a look. This I got a medium cap because they're gonna ask you what size you need, and I got a medium one, and it was kind of big, and I like that it was bigger because it made it easier for me to apply the wig. And I did use my grandma's hot comb, and I'm sure she wanted it back, but yeah, this was my first time using a hot comb. Scared to death, y'all, but I might actually keep it. She ain't using it no way. But anyways, y'all, I love this hair. I would definitely recommend this hair. I will have a direct link to the hair down below in the description box, and I will have a direct link to that hair dye just so you guys can see what the boxes look like. I will have the direct link to the one that's on Amazon. So I will have all that down below. I would definitely recommend you guys check out YGWIGS because, like I said, if you don't want to put in that work, this is the hair for you because you don't actually have to put in a whole lot of work, okay? It basically, it comes done for you, okay? It comes done for you. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing with your life? Like, what's good? Subscribe. Also, if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.